Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Good day everyone. To my professors and to my colleagues. By the way, my name is Jose Edgar C. Dawal, but my friends do call me Ace. I'm 27 years old, currently living in Cebu. A quick background about my nursing journey. I graduated last 2019 from Veles College here in Cebu. But I started my nursing career in year 2021 after I passed my board exam. Kasali ako doon sa mga na-move yung board exam dahil nagka-COVID. So yeah, even though I have a short experience in related to my nursing work compared to my colleagues here, and I don't even have an experience in the academe. Teaching has always been an interest of mine, but I really don't know how to transition to the academe. And then luckily, I found about this program and I've read through it, and then it caught my attention knowing that there's this new degree particular focused in teaching nursing in the baccalaureate level. I went to the open house here in UP Manila last April 2025. So I got to learn more about the program, and yeah, I tried to apply and now I'm here. Now I'm looking forward not only to learn from my professors but also to my colleagues, given that you have various backgrounds, some even in teaching, and also with the future discussions, I hope to absorb lahat.
So yeah, that's it. Nice to meet you all.